What's up, dude? All right, so let's do the file conversion. This is a really easy process, same as the other one. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to this web page here. I'll provide the link for you here in a little bit, which takes us to a site that will download Format Factory. This program will assist us in converting the files so that they can be shown in your Blu-ray player. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on Download Torrent so that it can start the torrent download. I already had downloaded it before, so you're not going to get this message, but you know how to do this process. It's going to start downloading it. Once it finishes downloading, you're just going to double click on it so that it opens up the installer. It take you directly to wherever the installer is. You're going to double click on it so it can start installing. I'm going to minimize these pages so that you can see what's going on my desktop. It's going to start the installer right here. Here is the license agreement. I'm just going to click agree, and I'm going to click install here. The installation process is pretty fast, as you can see. It's going to ask me if I want the Ask toolbar to make my web browser more convenient. I do not want that. So I'm going to unclick these two boxes so it doesn't set and keep Ask as my default search provider, and so it doesn't set and keep ask.com as my browser homepage, whatever. I'm going to click next. This is some advertising. I don't want it. I'm just going to go ahead and click decline. And it finishes the installation. Just click finish here. I'm going to leave these two checked so that when I click finish, it'll run Format Factory for me and it'll install some inside codecs. I clicked on finish and it should open up my program. Alright, so as soon as it opens up, you're going to see it converts all kinds of files, video, audio, pictures, whatever. So we're on video. I'm going to click on MP4. So right now the files are in AVI. So I want to convert them to MP4. So I'm going to click here on MP4. I'm going to click the output settings. And yes, I want high quality and size. This will be an MP4, MPEG-4 DivX. It's one of the formats that you said work on your DVD player, on your Blu-ray player, sorry. So high quality and size here, and I'm just going to click OK. I'm going to click on Add File, and it opens up my browser. I just look for the folder where my Batman season my series is. I'm going to double click on it. I'm just going to do one file just so you can see what's going on. What you're going to do is you're going to click here on one of them and then click Control A to select all of them and click on open. I'm going to go ahead and do all of them. It'll open all of the files in the first season. I'm just going to do one season for now at a time. Okay. The output folder is going to put it on CFF output. That's where it's going to put all these files after they're done converting. If I want to change that, I can click here on change. I'm just going to leave it as the default, and I'm going to click on OK. And once they're here, I'm going to go ahead and click on start. And it starts the file conversion process, as you can see here. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and pause the video so that it'll start converting. I'll come right back as soon as this first one is done. Alright, as you can see, this one's at 90% now. It's been taking about 4.5 minutes so far for the first one to convert. Just going to wait for it to completely finish. There we go, that first one is complete. Okay, once they are all complete, I think it'll open it up. If not, just go ahead and go to my computer. Remember that it was going into C, so look for your C drive, and it was in FF output. That's where it's putting the files. As you can see, here it is right now. It's in MP4 now. So once that's done, These are the ones that it's working on right now. Once that's done, you're gonna take this file, not the original one that you downloaded from uTorrent, but the one that we converted here on FF Output, and you're gonna put this on your USB, and that will work. Here is a preview of it. Well, hope that works. Enjoy, and let me know if you have any questions, dude. This one is still going.